Hi guys, in this video I'm going to show you how to block someone on TikTok. First of all, let's launch the TikTok app and let's look at the feed. Let's find somebody that we pretend we're gonna block. Let's try to block this one. When you find a video that you want to block, right, you want to click on the share. You want to click on the share and then you will find all the options at the last level of the settings bar. You will see that first of all you are able to report if you find the video disturbing, if there's a harassment, violence, something that is out of order, fraud, scam, misinformation, shocking graphic. But we're not gonna go that further. We just simply could click not interested, which also works pretty well. You're not gonna get recommended anything from this channel, most likely. But let's say you really want to block the account, right? You really don't like the account, something is odd, you want to do something about it. Well, there are plenty of options to do so, but the best option to do it, of course, would be simply to go on the account itself, click on the share button on top, and then you're going to click block. See, click on this one, and then you will be able to block the account. This account will not be able to send you messages. You're not going to be able to see your post, not going to be able to see his post. So this means that essentially, if they actually live stream and TikTok pushes the live stream, you still might be able to see them, which is, in my opinion, is a big downside. If you do something like this, if you block someone on other platforms, you're still not going to be able to see them. They're not going to be able to stream or to show in front of your face. So I believe that TikTok can actually work on this. They will not be able For more videos like this, guys, subscribe and follow for more.